Hello everyone, you're in Endurance Laser Lab. In this video, we're going to present you our laser weed destroyer. So we cut some weeds from the field and we're going to cut it with our 85 watt diode laser array. So we have a temperature here, it's 29 Celsius. It's just a good temperature. It's pretty hot in our office. We have water chiller. And we're using a short focal length. Let me show you. We have 30mm focusing lens, and we're going to turn on the laser on maximum power. Okay, Pasha is turning on the laser, maximum power. We need to wait a little bit when current rises to almost 3 amps, and you see the laser. 2 amps. Okay, we have 2 amps here. 3 amps. And you see it's getting brighter and brighter. And let me show you. It's very, very high power laser system. And now we will cut something. Okay. Perfect laser weed destroyer. So the good thing about these lasers that you don't, it's quite, it's not that heavy as CO2 tube that we have here. And let's cut some thicker. Let's see how it works. You hear some noise. That's very, very thick piece. Look. It's impressive, isn't it? So I think we made a good start. I'm pretty sure that this laser can be used on different machines, different robots. And like I said, the good thing that it doesn't require high voltage power supply, and it's quite light. It's not heavy and it's not bulky at all, so you can install it on a small machine. And we hope that you guys like it. We're looking forward to get your orders and requests for that laser. We'll do some more tests and we'll try different types of lenses. We'll use longer focal lens like 40mm and 50mm, and that's it. So you're welcome to visit our website endurancelasers.com and our online store endurance-lasers.com. Text me gf@endurancerobots.com, my email and my phone. You can find on our website. Thanks for watching and enjoy. Take care. Bye bye.